Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by fixing the obvious input errors. Check caps lock, numlock, and the keyboard layout because mismatched layouts change characters. If that fails, open sign-in options and try PIN or the on-screen keyboard so you can rule out hardware. Once done, restart Windows to clear temporary glitches, and if you use a Microsoft account, verify the password on another device. These steps separate simple entry problems from account or system-level issues, so you know what method to use next. You will now perform the actual reset depending on account type. If you have a Microsoft account, go to Account. Live. /reset on another device, verify with code, and create a new password so Windows accepts it immediately. For a local account, boot from Windows 10 installation media, pick Repair, Troubleshoot, Command Prompt. Then use commands to enable an admin or run NetUser username password to set a new one. Make sure to explain why. Microsoft resets use online verification, local resets need offline access to change credentials. You finish by signing in with your new credentials and then reducing future risk. Set up a PIN, Windows Hello, or a password reset USB because these let you recover quicker. For local accounts, add security questions and store a recovery disk. For Microsoft accounts, enable two-factor authentication to prevent future lockouts. If something goes wrong, like BitLocker or no install media, create installation media on another computer or find your BitLocker recovery key. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves blocked reset attempts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.